with data, there's this big challenge of data being expensive and really hard to price. So what's the ultimate way to unlock data? A data exchange, or a data marketplace, to be more precise. So what we actually did, we worked with Toyota Research and others to build a prototype of a data exchange for self-driving car data. So their challenge, actually, that they have at Toyota, and most self-driving cars, it comes down to the unreasonable effectiveness of data. You can build a self-driving car algorithm with 10,000 miles driven, but you'll have an error rate of, say, 10%, right? So do you want 1 in 10 times the car drives it to crash or kill someone, right? It can't be 1 in 100. It needs to be 1 in a billion, or on that range, right? It needs to be at least as safe as a human driving, and ideally 10x or more better, right? The problem is, to get there, Toyota and others have calculated that they need 500 billion to 1 trillion miles driven, right? That is a lot of resources. That's a lot of miles driven. So Toyota said, hey, why don't we work with other auto manufacturers doing self-driving data and others like Uber, et cetera, and pool our data together, and not just say, let's kumbaya and hug and everyone just share, but actually just charge each other a reasonable price, right? And that's basically what's going on here. So it's actually a data marketplace for self-driving car data. The prototype, we called it AVDEX, Autonomous Vehicle Data Exchange. And you can see, you can enter data sets, you can set a price, you can buy it. And also, we actually have some privacy preserving features with this stuff called zero knowledge proofs, which is basically sort of like Monte Carlo sampling on information for privacy. So these are basically some interesting examples of what's happening in the world of AI and blockchain together, how decentralization is actually helping AI.